Okay, Toyota ANH10 Toyota Alphard original head unit, change aftermarket amplifier. This version is a 3.0 high spec with sound system. Alphard 3.0cc with sound system. Okay, you have to use the Canbus socket plug and play. Can connect with your sound system.
Suatu keluarga Malaysia. Ini dia yang ingin digalakkan oleh Perdana Menteri kepada kita semua.
Okay. Steering control can use. Okay, and music direct. So you have to do a Canbus setting. Okay, this is Canbus plug and play, socket plug and play. Alright, thank you. Installed by One Piece, video by Andy. Thank you.